No care where them live or who them know. Go out and vote for the People's National Party and put your ex beside the head. You don't have anything to worry about because nobody can ever know how you voted in that polling station. Comrades, the next PMP government is going to be a government to uplift the people. We are looking at a very progressive policy on land. We want to reduce the 60-year period that persons living on government land have to wait before they can acquire a title, and reduce it to 25 years. So anybody who's been living on their land for 25 years, if they don't have a title, they can get a title for that land. And if you haven't been there for 25 years, but you're well established and you want to buy the land, we will enter into negotiations to sell you for a very reasonable price and on terms that you can afford. We are going to build 50,000 affordable houses on public lands not suitable for agriculture, with at least 500 in every constituency, including here in central Westmoreland. And we will be selling those affordable houses at a price that does not include the value of the land.